Come get your cup. Breakfast things and put eggs. He loves Woody and Buzz. Like mustard. Throw that out on the corner and we'll just stick this to the side. Welcome back to the channel. It has been a hot minute since we have done a grocery haul, and that just feels so nostalgic to me. I know some of y'all were upset that you didn't get to see the kitchen, so you're going to get to see obviously sneak peeks of it while we're doing this video today. And still it is not done. I'm looking at it, and we went in at the grocery store because we were sort of in limbo because of the kitchen being remodeled and then our new pantry area, all the stuff. I did not want to buy a bunch of groceries and just kind of not know where things were. A lot of things were not in its place and things are kind of wherever, so I didn't want to like go in on groceries over the past few weeks. So now that everything is pretty much done, we went ham at the grocery store. I'm gonna try to show y'all all of the non-grocery things first. I'm using the pantry space back there. The next video I have planned for y'all to see will be us doing the pantry area back there. So this is kind of like flip-flop because I filmed that first, but I want to show y'all this video first before I put that one up. Y'all are not even gonna know how to get on these videos on YouTube, but I wanted a trash can for back there because I want that to be part of the kitchen and I need a trash can back there. And I got a mop and broom organizer. Y'all know at Walmart they have the whole home edit line of things. They have a lot of like home edit organizing type things. I had something like this before we redone it, but it was barely hanging on and it did not do a great job of holding stuff. So I hope that does a good job. I've been using just a big empty trash can in our laundry room that's squeezed in between the wall and the dryer. But my husband's seen this, the dust bin. It's magnetic lint cup trap, but it's also got like 2 other things with it. He said he's gonna, I'm sure. He said he's gonna clean all that out on the corner and we'll just stick this to the side of the dryer. And then it has like this little thing that you can put like dryer sheets, which I don't use. And then a brush, which is actually nice to help clean out the lint trap when I pull it out. Also got some bins to try and get the kids' bathroom organized. So y'all will see in that pantry organization video, because I now have a pantry, I was able to move some things around. So now I have like a lot more open space. This being one of the open spaces. I did get some smaller bins for down here. I got a few like open spaces now and I want to make sure that I'm keeping these areas organized. The kids' bathroom has always been really hard to keep organized because of the size and shape of their cabinets. So I'm hoping that these are the narrow multi-purpose bins. And I got some large open bins, which technically they're supposed to be turned this way because they have the little like lip on that side. But because of the way their cabinets are, I'm going to turn them this way and hopefully that works. So I got 2 of these, 1 of those, and then 2 of the bigger size of that one. In between all of those, something will work in their bathroom. Next up, more bins and literally a handful of clothes. I've already went there and got a few pieces for fall for them. These, I'm pretty sure I'm going to put down here and up here. That fits so much better than this random red bin that you can see there. So I don't know what I'm doing with those, what I'm putting in those. I like to keep this for like the kids stuff, so I'm going to rearrange. I already had some of these in here with like kids snacks. So I got a few more, and then I got another bag of somewhere with a few more clothes. But one of y'all sent me that they had new little boys sets. I love putting sets on my kids, especially little Disney sets. So we were between this one and a Cars one, but my kids are Toy Story kids to the core. He loves Woody and Buzz, and this one has a hood. These sets were $15.98. That's just so dang cute. And it's like that summer fleece. So it's that thinner, pretty much kind of like what I have on right now. And the pants have a little like cargo-y pocket. It's so cute. I don't know where the other clothes are. They're somewhere. So we're going to start getting into groceries. Loaf of bread. I'll also tell you what I have planned to cook with the items that I'm showing you. Bread's just bread, but we are going to grill some food because it's supposed to get rough this week. Hurricane or tropical storm Debbie, I think it's Debbie, I don't think we'll probably get a lot of rain off of it. So we were just trying to think of things that we can cook and just eat off of for a few days. Cody, for whatever reason, when there's a storm, he wants to grill a lot of meat and just have meat deep from. I don't know why. Maybe it's the man in him. I don't know. But I just got a leftover bread. Most of the time I'll buy like specific like hamburger or hot dog buns, but I didn't even mess with that. Turkey. I wanted turkey smoked sausage. I didn't have it, so I got turkey Polska kielbasa. With this, I'm going to put it on like a sheet pan, cut it up in small pieces. This is technically already cooked, but I do want to like brown it. And I will cut up potatoes and onions, put it on a sheet pan, some spices and grapeseed oil, maybe a little bit of butter, and just roast it and cook it. And it's so good and so simple. Hot dogs, because he wants to grill. I'll either do the Jesse Jones or the Nathan's, but they were out of Nathan's, so I went with those. Mozzarella cheese, because I'm doing spaghetti. I need some cheese. Milk, because we needed milk. And then sliced cheese from the deli, just Colby Jack for the burgers we're gonna put on the grill. Creamer. I was trying to go back to doing half and half in syrup, but I don't know, I drank the creamer for too long and now I can't not drink it. Just trying to cut down my portion size of it. Bag of Caesar salad, which we're probably gonna have here in a little bit once we start getting hungry. I'm just gonna saute up some chicken and then put it over the salad. All right, here's the other clothes. Pause on the grocery. Let's jump back into the clothes. Show Brothers first, which there wasn't much. He needed just a few more things to like get him over the transition summer to fall, and it's still hot in North Carolina, so I just wanted to get him some like fall colored things. These pieces were just $3.98 a piece, and I got him this cutie little dinosaur tee. I love these shorts, and then another shirt, something about astronaut something, but it's got that same green, so he can wear both shirts with the shorts. And he also has a few other shorts that he can just rotate all this out with, just to get him over, because some stuff he's already growing out from the early summer. And then Mills just grabbed her literally 2 things. This is for the fall itself. I love these colors. So did she. She's seen it and was loving it. This is obviously not to go together, but any like staple pieces that she can wear, I always grab those when I see them because they get gone pretty fast. Any kind of animal print, we always grab it because to us it's neutral. She can wear that with anything. And she's got a bunch she can wear this with. How cute would this be with overalls? So dang cute. And all those were $3.98 a piece too. I don't think I showed y'all this one earlier. I don't think I did. They had a few different colors, but I thought he would look so good in this red and cream or beige. $6.98. Might should have gotten other colors too, because I just really love. Yeah, I think he is so cute with stuff that has a hood on it for whatever reason. Re-upping on some cleaning stuff. As much as I hate spraying this because it literally will take your breath away, it is one of the only things that I think really cleans glass and mirrors really well. So yeah, I got a new thing of that. Y'all have seen me use that for Y'all have seen me use that for like 8 or 9 years now. I wish I could find something else that I loved, but I don't. I've been on the hunt for something to clean these quartz countertops so I don't mess them up, and I've just been seeing like not super chemically stuff to use so it doesn't mess with, I guess, the top coat or whatever. I don't know. So we're gonna try. I'm shocked I've never tried this. This is the 7th generation multi-surface cleaner. It's disinfecting. I want to smell it. It says lemongrass citrus scent. So once I get all these cleaned off the counters, we'll wipe them down together. Let's just smell it out of the bottle. I didn't even do this in the store. It smells very planty. I get the lemongrass. But yeah, I didn't want to use anything that was going to mess up my countertops, the beloveds. Because all I've been doing is just like soap and water, but I just want something just a little bit more friendly to spray and just wipe off. Let's see, got just some plain instant oatmeal. There's no sugar added or anything in this. I like doing this for the kids because we add fruit and honey or whatever we want to add, little chocolate chips, whatever you want to add. Get just the plain. It's the plain. Yes, you can always just get a whole thing of like rolled oats, but that's just, it's quick and easy. So I get that. The kids love the Stony Field yogurt pouches. Some instant grits. We're gonna do some kind of, maybe that'll be tonight. We might do breakfast for supper tonight. I don't know, but or we'll just have it for breakfast. We're gonna do sausage and eggs, and we always got eggs because we got chicken, so we always have eggs. Sausage, eggs, and grits and toast or something like that. I was out of flour, so White Lily is my flour of choice. I needed self-rising. I got all purpose. And Cody picked the strawberry cream protein energy bars, the Power Crunch ones. I told him I do not want, I'm so sick of having to go to town and get food because we didn't have anything. You know, we were in limbo. I'm over it. I just want to stay at the house and eat. so get whatever you're going to get and get it now. I don't want to go, I don't want to leave again and have to go get food the rest of the week. So he picked these Miss Vicky's Applewood smoked barbecue chips. And then I got the Simply Cheeto Puffs for the kids. If your kids like a Cheeto, and we don't do Cheetos often because they'll stick to your teeth and they're bad for your teeth. But if we do Cheetos, we do the Simply ones because they're white. One, they don't get orange dust everywhere. I prefer the harder ones, but I haven't seen those, like the crunchier ones. I haven't seen them in a little bit, so they had the puffs. So we went with puffs. Hopefully today, it's nap time right now. Cody's putting A-list down. Hopefully today I can get a chance to get the rest of this stuff organized. Normally I'll just order a case of the Core Power protein shakes, but I forgot to when I made our last Sam's Club order, so I just grabbed us a few. He said he wanted the strawberry banana. I don't know. I got the chocolate. I should have gotten, yeah, I got 4 chocolate and he picked 2 of the strawberry. A lot of times we're moving and grooving during lunch. He's off for the next like week or so. We have like just different house projects we're working on. I don't even want to stop and eat, so I just grab one of these out of the fridge and go. I like to have just these little minute cups of rice, the jasmine rice in the pantry. I love saying pantry now, just to have if I need something. A really good little lunch idea, if you'll get those chicken apple sausages, and they're technically cooked, but you just heat them up. I like to throw mine in the air fryer, then I'll cut it up and put it on top of this, and whatever sauce of your choice. Maybe it's teriyaki sauce, some kind of glaze, barbecue sauce, any kind of sauce you can also do. I've sauteed zucchini slices like on the stove. Throw that in here. You can do steamed broccoli, any kind of little veggie, and just mix that up. It is so quick and it's so hearty and delicious at lunchtime. And I normally don't do it with jasmine rice. I normally do it with the brown rice and quinoa mix that comes like this. It's in the brown packaging, not the purple. That is so good. I'm doing a baked spaghetti, like the TikTok spaghetti recipe that's going around. Am I in focus? I don't even know what it's called. $1 Million spaghetti or whatever spaghetti. But I always put a can of Sloppy Joe mix in my spaghetti sauce. So I needed that. I got a box of thin spaghetti. Mila wanted blueberry muffins. I know I can make my own mix. I probably need to start doing that. But she picked this box. I normally don't get this box. I get the one that has the streusel topping. If you know, you know. But she wanted this. All right, we're getting into the meat for the different things. Ground turkey for the spaghetti. I almost forgot what I was doing. Burger patties. Most of the time I just patted them out myself, but I had already forgot I needed that, and I was already sitting there at it, so I just grabbed those. Breakfast sausage. Swaggerty's is delicious. And then some chicken breast tenderloin. Probably just put barbecue sauce on them and cook them on the grill. And then that spaghetti calls for Alfredo and spaghetti sauce, marinara sauce. So we're gonna do, got one of each for those. I always love having the Montreal steak seasoning from McCormick. I was out of it, so I just got that. We were out of molasses, and this was the last one in the store. We used molasses on a biscuit. Molasses and peanut butter on a biscuit is like chef's kiss. I like to keep cans of crescent rolls in the fridge at all times. If you just need a random side, like a random bread side for a dish. If you want to make some stuffed little things for lunch, you can do ham or turkey and cheese. You can make dessert ones. You can put marshmallow fluff. You can put some kind of glaze on them when they're done. You can stuff them with marshmallow and chocolate chips. You can do all kinds of stuff with these. You can turn them into little breakfast things and put eggs and sausage. There's so many ideas you can do with a crescent roll. I also do this breakfast casserole, and I lay one out in a 9x13 dish, and I put sausage and eggs, and you layer another one on top. Seriously, I always have 2 in my refrigerator. And then bananas, because we were out. We still have some apples and oranges. And last and most certainly not least, some miniature Alani News. We are on the cusp of the Halloween flavor being out. And if you didn't know, it is my absolute favorite flavor. And I have about 6 cans left that I got towards the very end of the year. Mama got me some for Christmas. I have about 6 or 7 cans left, and we're right around the corner, and they have rebranded the cans, and I'm so excited. I just seen a glimpse of it on TikTok, and it looks just like Beetlejuice. Like, think black and white stripe with a little bit of purple, a little bit of green. Snazzy. It's my favorite flavor. It's like a caramel apple. I don't know how to explain it, but it is delicious. But in the meantime, I do like the mini size. I wish those Halloween ones come in mini size. I'm still gonna buy them full size. But this is my favorite to get us right now. Cody likes the cherry slush. I think it's too sweet. But I do like the orange kiss and the peach that comes in these. All right, now I need to finish putting all of this stuff up, making a plan. I know I need to crack open one of those energy drinks because I feel like I'm running on literal fumes. I don't even want to put this up here. I need to go ahead and get out what I want to get out and go move it back there and figure all that out. But I do want to spray. I want to spray the counters with y'all. Let me figure out my life because I'm sort of like frazzled looking around. Let me figure this out and we'll come back and wipe the counters off together when I'm all done. And I spilled flour everywhere trying to transport it over into its container. Come get your cup. I need some new microfiber towels. I just got, like I said, I think at Walmart or something. I feel like I just want a little bit, something more substantial. Maybe not so flimsy. But I'm just gonna throw this flour into the dishwasher. It's not a lot. And in case you've ever seen this ginormous countertop cutting board that I have, it has a little lip at the top, so it'll sit on there. I mean, you can also cut that way, but I mean, I always have it this way. This was from IKEA. I've had it for years. I love it. Anytime that I'm in the kitchen cooking, I take it out and put it on the counter. Especially now that I have, what is on my counter? Especially now, with me trying to be so particular about the countertops and make sure I don't get nothing on them. I have a ton of trivets and stuff, but I feel like I just like to make sure I have a lot of surfaces that I can put hot stuff down on and just things that I can sit stuff down on. I did also read for any like stains that you might get, which I'm working really hard to not get any stains. Like coffee stains, tomato stains, red wine stains, which we don't really drink like that, but anything like mustard that could stain. The cream Barkeeper's Friend. Those of you that have watched me for a while, you know I love some Barkeeper's Friend. My old sink, it was one of the only things that could keep it clean. And so I keep both. I keep the powdered version and I keep the cream. So I just got a new cream one to make sure I always have it on hand here in the kitchen. Okay, I think I like it. It definitely has like an acquired scent. I don't get the lemongrass as much when I don't get any citrus. I know what lemongrass smells like. I have the essential oils and I use it pretty often, especially when I go outside to try to help with mosquitoes. And if you've ever used Young Living, the Purification oil blend has lemongrass in it. However, I'm getting very like earthy smells from it, which is not bad. It just doesn't smell like, okay, I got a little bit of citrus that time when I smelled the rag. Okay. Let's go wipe this side off. Now, let's see what it feels like. Okay. Feels good. Let's try. I don't feel any like residue. So we'll keep using that. That's the end of the grocery haul. I have a lot to organize, including that laundry room, which is not happening today. My objective is, 1, enjoy this energy drink. 2, work on the kids' bathroom. And then next up will be the kitchen. And probably next up will be the laundry room. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this surprise random little video. I hope it made you feel like we was back in the day. Y'all can tell just from this angle right here how different the kitchen feels. Ignore the stuff behind me. I still gotta finish putting everything up. Not everything. I gotta put some stuff, I gotta put the rest of the stuff away that doesn't belong in here now, but I can definitely tell how much brighter just me standing here because the cabinet's gone above my head. But I'm gonna go take this sweatshirt off because I've moved around too much and I'm starting to sweat a little bit. And I got more moving around to do. Get these shoes off my feet. Anyway, I will see you on the next one. Hope you have a beautiful, blessed day, y'all.